Hey guys, welcome back to another part of the Bluelock series. In this part, one have implemented the framework of rolling styles, equipping styles, multiple slots, as well as rarities. We only have the actual rolling for now, but I have implemented the framework on which you guys can further build. Enjoy the showcase. If you want to change the default spins and money and default style players will have, you can check this table located in Player Stats Service. Just change the stat store name and change the values of the table. But if you want to change the style name and rarities and description, you can check this table out in Styles Lib Service. Just change the values here. Don't change the structure itself, otherwise it will break. Also, if you change this, you would have to change your rarities UI as well. You have to match the rarity name in the table and drop percentage. Also, always put a number like 300 in the lowest rarity button, and as you progress to more rare rarities, increase the number. This will auto-sort UI if you use mine. Alright folks, that is up for this video. Check out my Discord to get this file. Also don't forget to like and subscribe for more free Bluelock stuff.